My name is Eric Hansen. I've been a teacher now since 1998, so I've been teaching for 21 years now. I've been really fortunate to teach everything from around grade 3 to grade 12. Over the last 13 years, I've met a gentleman by the name of Dr. John Mighton. John Mighton is a university professor at the University of Toronto, and he has developed a new math program which is called Jump Math. Jump Math is an acronym for Junior Undiscovered Math Prodigies, and with this Jump Math, it's a new program that enables students to enjoy math again and to be confident in math. One of the things with Jump Math is that when a student learns a concept, they don't move on until they master the concept. So if a student is learning, say for instance, on how to add fractions, well, they learn all the different steps, but they don't move on until they master the step. In mathematics, it's crucial that before you move on to the next concept, math is so scaffolded that you have to understand all the steps leading up, and so for you to be successful, you have to know all the steps. With Jump Math, I've had a lot of success using this with a lot of students who've had large gaps in their learning, and what I find that Jump has done is it's been able to close the gap in the learning. Not only does it help the students who have a large gap in their learning, it also, the students who are high flyers, the ones who do really well, seem to do even better with the Jump program. There's a few advantages to this program versus, say, a conventional textbook. In a regular textbook, you have the different learning strands, so there's 5 in the Alberta curriculum, and what happens is you start in September and you move through all the different strands with the Jump Math. And so for instance, I have the grade 4 book here, so you have the 4.1 and the 4.2. So what happens is the 5 different strands are broken into 2 parts throughout the year. So in a conventional textbook, you would start number sense in September and you wouldn't see it again until the following year. With the Jump Math, you start a strand and then halfway through the year you restart the strand again. Now what this does, this reinforces the learning, and in fact this is how with all the brain research that has been done on memory and then learning, you know, it's really important that you revisit past concepts. So in the Jump Math, so if you were, say for instance, if you were in June and if you were trying to recall something like number sense, well, you did it in January. You're not thinking back to the beginning of the year in September. So this has been a really useful resource for myself. I was very fortunate last year that I was able to give presentations to elementary and junior high schools, about 10 at Edmonton Public Schools, and I was able to teach math teachers how to teach math using the Jump method. Starting on December the 27th, I'm working for IJ Learning Center, and they've asked me if I could introduce this program to the students coming here, and I'm very excited about you know, showing kids the Jump Math and being able to use the methods in the Jump to help students be confident in math and help students to succeed in math. Again, my name is Eric Hansen, and starting on December the 27th, I'm going to be teaching Jump Math lessons to students from grades 1 to grade 9. Thank you.